In this video, I will show you how to change my Bitget ID. So first of all, open up your Bitget app, and if you aren't started yet on Bitget, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started with a nice welcome bonus absolutely for free. So if you're interested, go ahead and check the link down below. Anyway, let's dive into this video by clicking on the profile section at the top left from our home tab. And from here, we're going to click on the arrow at the top right. And from our profile tab, we're going to click on display name. And right now you can see that it is under review in my case. That is because I already changed it a couple of days ago. So when you want to change your ID, then you need to click on the display name in here, and then you are able to change it. But please note that you can only change it once every 7 days. So that is the reason why I cannot change it right now. When you want to change it, you're basically going to click on it, enter the name where you want to change it to, and click on confirm, and that is it. And then it will be on the review as well. And this review process is just to make sure that the letters you're using are correct and that they do not harm anything or anyone. So that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.